Business. Phillips 66 is an energy manufacturing and logistics company. It operates through the following segments: midstream, chemicals, refining, and marketing and specialties. The midstream segment provides crude oil and refined petroleum product transportation and processing services, as well as natural gas and natural gas liquids transportation, storage, fractionation, gathering, processing and marketing services. The chemicals segment consists of Phillips 66's 50% equity investment in Chevron Phillips Chemical, CPChem, which manufactures and markets petrochemicals and plastics on a worldwide basis. The refining business refines crude oil and other feedstocks into petroleum products, such as gasoline, distillates and aviation fuels, as well as renewable fuels, at 12 refineries in the US and Europe. The marketing and specialties segment purchases for resale and markets refined petroleum products and renewable fuels. Stock market value: $57.06 billion, $129.70 per share. Percentage ownership: aAverage cost, aActivist commentary. Elliott is a very successful and astute activist investor. The firm's team includes analysts from leading tech private equity firms, engineers, operating partners, former technology CEOs and COOs. When evaluating an investment, the firm also hires specialty and general management consultants, expert cost analysts and industry specialists. The firm often watches companies for many years before investing and has an extensive stable of impressive board candidates. Elliott has historically focused on strategic activism in the technology sector and has been very successful with that strategy. However, over the past several years its activism group has grown and evolved, and the firm has been doing a lot more longer-term activism and creating value from a board level at a much larger breadth of companies. The firm's activism has always been well thought out, and the detailed analysis it presented here is evidence of that. On Wednesday, Elliott sent a letter to Phillips 66, announcing that it has taken a $1 billion stake and is seeking up to 2 board seats. Activist investors like to claim that they are amicable or constructive. While we do not generalize like that, it is hard to imagine a more amicable and constructive activist campaign than what Elliott is proposing at Phillips 66. Phillips 66 has underperformed peers Valero Energy and Marathon Petroleum by 45% and 191%, respectively, over the past 3 years, and by 163% and 248%, respectively, over the past 10 years. Elliott thinks this can largely be attributed to the company's shift in focus away from the refining segment and management's poor execution in cost reductions, which has led to a loss of investor confidence.